And just pick up your shoulders for a moment and let them roll back and down. And today we're going to practice nadi shodana, which is alternate nostril breathing. And I love this practice because, first of all, it helps me to kind of relax immediately, or just to feel more present. And it has a lot of benefits. It helps to balance both hemispheres of the brain, but it also helps us to balance our sun on the right and our moon on the left. So the energy of activity, but also of rest. So it helps us find that perfect balance, which is also what Hatha Yoga is. Okay? Right. So again, just sit comfortably. Your hands can be anywhere where they feel relaxed. You're welcome to close your eyes, but if you prefer to have them open, maybe just kind of half open. And first, just take a few normal breaths. So we're not trying to shape it or do anything yet. We're actually just noticing how we receive and how we let go. And notice where you feel the breath. Maybe it's in your abdomen or more in your chest. We're just being curious. And then do your best to balance the breath so it feels like you're inhaling and exhaling evenly. Now feel the breath in your nostrils, rising all the way up to the space between your eyebrows, and then moving back out. And just take a couple more breaths like this. And I'm going to ask you to bend your right elbow. And we're going to make a fist first. And then we're going to extend our thumb, the pinky, and the ring finger. Okay? Then you turn the palm towards you. Exhale through both nostrils. Close your left side. And inhale right. Close. And exhale left. Inhale left. Close, exhale right. Inhale right. Close and exhale left. And do a couple more like that, just on your own. Inhaling through one nostril, closing and exhaling out the opposite nostril. Now, the next time you exhale out the right nostril, I'll just ask you to lower your hand. Allow the breath to readjust. And then we're going to add one more element to this breath. And the element is the power of visualization. So now when we inhale, let's say we're going to start with our right nostril. I'd like you to visualize that breath moving all the way down that right side of the spine And then when we exhale, it moves up the opposite side and out the nostril. Okay? Again, we inhale, bring the breath down, and then we exhale, visualizing it moving up and out. Okay? Ready to try? All right. So exhale through both nostrils. Close your left side. Inhale right. Feel that breath moving all the way down to the base of your spine. Close, exhale left, moving up the spine and out. Inhaling. Close, exhaling out the right. A few more on your own. Let the mind get quiet and just feel. Now the next time you exhale out the right side, just lower your hand. Let your breath readjust. And just notice how you feel.